Check this out. This company called Troozy reached out to me to see if I'd be interested in trying out their Rilon Arc and Stick Welder and doing a little review on it. So let's take a look at this thing. I'm not sponsored by Troozy, but they did send me the welder. Comes with the ground clamp, the cable to hold the stick. Comes with the adapter for 220. It's very light and portable. And it comes with the regular plug for 110. You have your power button, you have your adjustments, your ground goes there, positive goes there, and there's the switch to switch it on. Also comes with a small brush and hammer that's to smack the weld after you're done welding, because there's going to be slag. Let's give it a try. Now, I have not used an arc welder in over 20 years, so this will be interesting. You want to make sure you get some protective equipment like a welding helmet and some welding gloves. It's always a good idea to wear long sleeves and pants as well. Put the ground cable in and twist. And you're going to do the same for the other one. Alright, these are the different welding sticks that I got. This is for a thicker or heavier duty. This is a little thinner. So I'm going to start out with the lighter. This is 40 to 90 amps. Make sure you clean your metal before. I'm just using a wire brush. So I got it clamped on. We'll set this to, we'll start lower. We'll set it to 50. And I'm gonna use welding gloves. I'm not using these for this, but get that lined up in there. That's good. Alright, so far so good. That looks pretty good. Take the hammer, give it a tap. Alright, first time arc welding in 20 years, so I don't think that looks too bad. I know it doesn't look great, but it's actually pretty easy to use. So that's pretty cool. Alright, I got some thinner pieces of metal here. It's all cleaned up. So let's give this a try, see if we can weld some stuff together. It's thinner. See if I can just tack weld it. I just tack welded the two sides. Now I'll just run a bead down the middle. When I got penetration on the other side, I actually could have turned it down a little bit. It looks like could have went down to 40 amps, but that actually looks really good.
There we go.
Alright, so that's with it all the way down. It's still pretty hot. Definitely penetrated. You can see on the back side where, you know, with it turned down, definitely didn't get as much penetration right there, but pretty much right there it all did. So that's a really strong weld. Both of them are really strong, you know, even though this one got a little hot. So I'm impressed. It's pretty cool, you know, and you know, maybe you're going to use it on some steel that's a little bit thicker than this, but you can still use it on some thin stuff, which is pretty neat. So if you're interested in starting to learn to weld, this is a great welder to start. It's very portable, easy to use, and it definitely does a great job. If you are a welder and there's any tips you have for me or something I messed up, leave me a comment below. And if you're interested in this welder, there will be a link in the description. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, you know what to do.